This is to demonstrate how to calculate the standard or z-score in the data set. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to put another variable. So I'm just going to go ahead and click the data view tab down at the bottom right left. And I'm just going to put in standard score, stand score. I'm just going to shorten it, stand score, SCORE. It's going to be a numeric type, and I want the label to be called standard score as well, standard score. So I type it in, then I go to the data view, and I'm here. In order for me to calculate that standard score using the formula for the z-score, I need to go to transform, compute variable. I need to tell it what variable, where I want the value. Once the value has been computed, where I want it to go, and I want it to go into stand score. I want it to go into that blank column that I have right now. And remember that when you're calculating the z-score actually is the raw score number minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. So this is assuming that I've already calculated my mean, which I've already done for these set of scores, and I've already calculated my found the standard deviation for the set of scores. In this particular example, my standard deviation is 1.297 and my mean is 8. So I'm going to just go ahead and generate the numeric expression. My score minus the mean, which is 8, divided by my standard deviation, which is what I'm going to type in, 1.297. Of course, I could have rounded it, but I chose not to. I could have rounded it to the standard deviation to 1.30, but I chose to leave it as it is to make it as accurate as possible. It will calculate the same way. Then I'm going to hit the OK button once I'm done. And I want to change what is existing there right now. It has blank cells, and I say yes to go ahead and change it. And it's going to go ahead and execute for me. And this is my standard score. Those are my standard scores. Those are my z-scores that I just generated for the data set that I have for the Oak Harbor and the Pine Ridge scores.